Hello everyone, my name is Elinda, also known as Nils of Norway, and today we are going to do this heart design with some stencils that we are going to make, and over this ombre with Gershon's products, their polygel and their base and their top coat. I'm going to use the beige color together with the white and the clear one. And I'm starting with the sanitation on my hands and fingers, and I push back the cuticles from the nail plate. And then I go over with my e-file and filing off the dead and spreading cuticle, starting going from the left to the right in a forward motion. And then when I'm finished with that, I go from right to left in reverse motion. You will only see me doing a removal of the skin from my nail plate here. I am not going to remove a lot from my hyponychium. So I'm just cleaning up my nail plate for this one. I am cleaning up a lot of dead skin from my thumb's side walls here. It's not always you can see this skin, so it's always good to go over it. And I also clean up a little bit of my skin on the side here and dust it all off. I have prepped, primed and put the base coat on my nails, and then you can see I have also put on my forms in a ballerina shape form. And then I also used it's called a cover pink, but it's more like a beige gel polish, and I try to ombre it down and over the white, so you get a nice and neat ombre. It does not need to be that neat because we are going to do a design over them, and I will show it to you after these have been cured. And here they are, and I have cut up some hearts here. I have used my backing paper from the forms, and then I have placed some masking tapes over these forms, or the back of the forms, and then you fold it down half, and then you take your scissor and you cut out small hearts, big hearts, whatever your hearts desire. And after you have done that, you have made a sticker, because you can peel that masking tape off again, and you can take it off and on and off. I am going to use a red painting gel together with a tweezer and a sponge, and then I peel off these hearts that is really fiddly and put them randomly where you want them to be. It gets a really cool effect when you also place it over this ombre, so you get that double effect with the colors. Once you have finished placing these hearts where you want the red ones to go, take your sponge and dab it into the gel paint and outline all the hearts with the red gel paint where you want the red hearts to be. So you start with the red hearts because you want to build up the contrast between the white and the red here, and then you end up with a spray paint effect. You will also see that the color changes a bit, where when you use it on the white it will give you a red outline of the heart, and if you use it over the beige you will get more of a pink heart. So that is also in pretty cool contrast. So you will see that when we move on. And after you have finished dabbing around the hearts, you flash cure this in the lamp for 7 to 10 seconds, and you are still able to remove the hearts. And voila, here they are. And you can stick them back together and you can actually use them over again. And here you can see that they will get that different effect in a different color. Then I put the hearts on top again where I want them to be, where the white one is going to be. You can place them like a little bit over the other ones. You cut off the red gel on the sponge, and then I use some white gel paint and dab that into the sponge, or dab the sponge into the white, and dab that again around the heart. And also go a little bit over the red, so you get that little overlapping effect. And again go in and flash cure it. And remove it, and your design is actually ready. My design is ready. So here it is. And then I also add some rhinestones. I like to add some rhinestones, so why not? If you do not want to, you do not need to do that, of course. I should have used a matte top coat, because then you would have got a lot more of that spray paint effect. I think that a matte top coat would have been a lot better. Then I went in with some extra stones on my other fingers. Some red and silver to bling out those nails and make them even cuter. And add some beads, caviar beads also. These are really fiddly, but are really lovely to watch. So along with the last top coat, and the nails are finished. I really hope you like this design, so check out other videos here at Nails Pro Academy. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye bye for now. Bye.